Aye, Vatsonga ka hina manyanga ndzi ta komisa swilungisa subscriber ni kombela u subscribe na n'hweti xikana tin'wani wa interested in Xitsonga music and Xitsonga content. So got this channel I post Xitsonga music updates, Xitsonga entertainment frequently. This January I'll be doing it more. Mi nga boreki. Surely loko swo pfumela I'll post a video a day to keep you updated and just ku ti chukachukela timhaka ta Vutsonga bya hina. So first of all, before ni nghena ka leswi a ni lava ku vulavula hi swona, I would like to a ni swi tivi ku no lava ku caca kumbe njhani, but I wasn't impressed hi leswi genge ya vungalasi yi nga swi endla swo yi tikuma yi ka Mulamula yi fika yi vutisela majita ku mi ni tshama kwihi. Cause I feel like for the few conversations that I've had na Ngalasi, I've always seen him as a fair guy. That's why I've never at any point attacked him or said anything bad about him, because I feel like he's a good guy. And I don't want to believe it, but then it seems like it's true. So since and I feel like they just want me to react so I need to, because I think he's intelligent, but on the Roger at that certain time, because she talk a lot na hlakahlanyana decision leyi va nga yi teka. So surely Ngalasi a yi tirhivele yi veka intelligence ya yo sayitini se yi hela yi tirhisa miehleketo ya childish yo fana na vo no Roger na leriya ra matini yo hangalaka hambi Martin. But anyways, I don't wanna speak about them. Swi yo ni nyangatsa ni twa nga ku maybe no va ku provokiwini ku ni vulavula, and sweswi ni vulavuleni ku va ta kuma reason yo ya mahlweni va ni rhuketela. Mara a hi humeni ka swona. I've noticed something na vulavula hi Giyani Land of Blood season 2 leyi nga kona sweswi, a yi interest ya kona vanhu lava yi kombaka a yi fani na season leyo sungula. Why am I saying this? Firstly, swa tika to find people on the ground talking about the show. Secondly, even online swa ha talangi ku vona Vatsonga va vulavula hi yona surely or va komba interest. The only people who talk about it, the CBD people. The CBD people, I'm referring to people from Twitter, and we know what happens with Twitter. Twitter, yeah, you gang should tweet. So Facebook is one of the most realistic platforms. Let the close to possible when the paid promotion for people to talk about your, whether it's music. It's a jump and go for a Facebook if something is paid to, if someone or something is paid ku shimanga traffic. So ka Twitter hi swi endla nga ku swa va swona. So ni realize ku ka matsamo mo tala a swa ha ri na impact ngopfu. And I went on the ground and tried to speak to several people. The first excuse leyi va nga nyiketa yona very i ku sweswiwani ka Giyani Land of Blood ku tshama kha ku fiwa ngopfu. Ivi loko ni tshama hansi ni langutisa concept ya Giyani Land of Blood, Giyani misava ya ngati, ni twa nga ku u va u nga yi twisisangi Giyani Land of Blood from the beginning loko se u ya gungula hi mafu lama va ku ma ri kona ma. Mara it's a ni ri swi wrong ku va munhu a complain ku fiwa ngopfu na, but I'm saying ku waloyi u va humesi na point ya ku background story ya xitori i yini, na swin'wana na swin'wana leswi faneleke ku swi endla xitori xi va Giyani Land of Blood. Ivi reason ya mampela leyi nga voniwa hi mina ne, I think I only got one reason. and one reason liya imhaka ku the concept leyi va nga hetisa sweswiwani yi na vu words ngopfu man, yi na vu sentient too much. Majority of the people who are Vatsonga, who are living in poverty, they can't relate to that kind of lifestyle that they are seeing on TV. So vanhu va rhandza swilo leswi which they can relate to. Giyani Land of Blood leya ya ku sungule va baloyi xidakwa, yo malume loyi wa xisiwana a tshamaku ka a tshamaku a kha a overpoweriwa hi sisi, a nga na mali. It was realistic standards, swilo leswi a hi swi vona masiku hinkwawo. So it was much more interesting to watch on TV, vutomi lebyi hi byi hanyaku kumbe vutomi lebyi hi byi vonaku each and every day. But now ku nga concept ya genge le Sandton, genge ka Woolworths, it's not easy to relate to, and it's not easy to entertain. So I feel like it has lost its identity, which was introduced to us as, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I'm saying Vatsonga Boktala are living in poverty. Vatsonga Boktala can relate to growing up in the villages. So taking that away from the story, you are taking the relationship between bona na story lexiya away from them. So it's obvious the reaction will be not losing interest in the story. So I feel like the writers can do better going forward. The writers can find a way in which they can bring back the spark. But even if they could be having numbers up, moko se va kuma number ta season 1, those numbers will not be coming from the ground ya Vatsonga, or will be coming from genge ya le Sandton, or will be coming from the ndimi letin'wani ti nga introduciwa, because now they feel represented. Mara in realistic terms, Vatsonga are losing interest. They don't care anymore about it anymore. Vatsonga va ku tala lava ni nga interacta na vona, a swa ha fani ku fana na khale. Se sweswiwani I feel like they have lost their identity, and I can't repeat sweswiwa, but anyways, all I wanted to say ku Vatsonga va ku tala have lost interest in the story, and I'm not saying I'm not encouraging them, and I'm not encouraging win to lose interest too. But all I'm saying is just I'm just thinking out loud. I feel like they've lost their identity. So my question is to are you still interested? If yes, what keeps you watching? If no, it's endla or lose interest. And I feel like it can help the story in way, because now still kusinga endla van'wani va vona wa part of that team va vona nkandziyiso lowani, and swi nga pfuna swinene feedback ya wena. So loko ku nga se subscriber, ni kombela subscriber. A hilwi, we're just thinking out loud, and I none ku va no opinion. So let's do it that way.